Hey guys, this is Kyle. Spend a day with me at Siam Amazing Park. Honestly, at first, I didn't expect to have that much fun as an adult in an amusement park, but the experience was phenomenal and I was over the moon that I went there. Wow! And now we're inside, and the first thing you will see is the merry-go-round and the roller coaster. Second ride. Third ride of the day. Fourth ride. Fifth ride. Six? I don't know, this one not really good as it looks. This is Siam Tower and it is really good for sightseeing as it is the highest in the park and it is really family friendly and it goes up really slowly. It also has air conditioning inside so it is really comfortable to be in there. Here's the little run through of the park with its center point, and some of the rides are temporarily closed due to its maintenance. Let's just say this ride is the breeze before the storm, cause after this calm ride it's gonna be a chaotic moment in the haunted house, so embrace yourself. Baby, someone's at the fucking door! You shut up! Thank you guys are amazing. God. Okay. Yes, I survived that. And I want to water world as well, but I put my phone in the locker for safety, so I didn't much get videos of it. So yeah, that will be a wrap, and thank you, and this is Kyle.